So in this video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Windows 8 operating system. I'm just going to be showing you guys the new features and what's been added, what's been removed. So let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to show you guys to the new start screen. So you can see here, you have this what Microsoft calls new Metro style UI, with the UI being the user interface. And as you can see, you have like these tiles, all these tiles. So no longer does Windows 8 have a start screen or start button, but rather this is the start button. This is where you can see your individual apps. And if you go all the way over here, then you have all your desktop apps. So just to show you guys one of the apps, I'm gonna just let's see, open up Maps. Show you guys the Maps app. Please bear with me. This app may take a while to load. Oh, never mind. Okay, I'm gonna allow that. As you can see, this is just like the Bing map that you see on the Bing website. So, as you can see here, you can see how the map is like full screen. And you can see here in location, it's not really accurate, but you know, we work with what we can. If you have Windows 8 and you hover your mouse here, and you have these options for the app. You have the option to search, share, return to the start, the devices. I haven't really used this one. Or the settings. So we can go here to settings for the settings of the app, modify the options, and, you know, and so forth. And here you have this little status menu with the internet, the volume, brightness, notification settings, and your keyboard. And okay, and to exit an app in Windows 8, log on a PC, you go to the top and left click and move it down. So next up, I'm going to show you guys the desktop app and see what features there is to choose from. So as you can see, the Windows arrow has been removed in Windows 8. You have a similar, I guess, a theme, I guess you could say. And one thing that you can notice is that also your widgets have been removed on Windows 8. Microsoft believes the removal of widgets will improve the operating system's capacity to work. Personally, I don't really see a problem with widgets, but you know. And it's basically kind of like the same, you know. This Windows 7, like here in the design, it's the same. And oh yes, one thing that has changed is this: your network or dialog box. You have this rather, this Acer shows you your networks. And I'm going to show you guys another great feature of Windows 8. Microsoft has really taken multitasking to a high priority. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm talking about here. So I'm just going to like drag it here, and you can move it to the left and just bear with me. Yeah, there we go. So you have that little line pop up, so you can just put it there. So I'm just going to like drag this a little bit. Oh. Okay, let's just try this again. Let's do it there. Let's have this open. And let's see here. Let me try this. Let me try to open up this app. So this would be a more convenient way to do it. Just go to your desktop, and if you go here, you have your little apps that you have open, and so you just drag it down here, put the app there, drag for the amount of space, allow, and as you can see here, I'm able to modify to see how much I'm able to see. So I'm barely able to see this, but and there's like a little suggestions that I have. So just get rid of this. We're going there. And let's see here. What's in wonderful Windows 8? Oh yes. If you can see, your account settings have changed. You have your own individual app where you can personalize your lock screen. And your start screen. And you're able to have more control over, you're able to have a more organized control, rather, on your personalization. Like, you can modify your start screen to, have just different backgrounds and such. Just change the colors. So I'm just going to change it back to mine. Just drag it. Okay. So, and here on your ease of access, you have a organized place to change your settings for accessibility. And I'm just going to turn this off. And you have Windows Update. And something that I like about Windows 8 is how you can refresh your PC. So if you're having like a PC not starting up well, or your app's crashing, you can just insert your installation disk or USB, and Windows will remove all your programs, but will not remove your personal files like your music or your documents or anything that's on your desktop, other than the programs. And here you can just remove everything and reinstall a fresh copy of Windows, clear everything on your hard drive, and just this will come very useful when you want to sell your computer and you do not want to you don't want your personal information to be on your hard drive. So, as with previous Windows operating systems, you can add here different accounts, and you also have the options of linking your Microsoft email accounts like Hotmail, Live, and Outlook into Windows 8 for easy access. And you can see here you have your notifications for your apps, your share for your apps. Alright, so forth. And here are my apps that I'm using. I don't really use them much, but they're pretty useful. You have the Google app, which is basically just the search engine on an app. Block. I'm just going to search something. Allow. Okay. Windows 8. So just going to search Windows 8. And yeah, there are two different versions of Windows 8. There is Windows 8 for a desktop and Windows RT for the Surface tablet and third-party tablets. Just the main difference between RT and 8 is that RT, you don't have the option to install third-party software. You only have the ability to install apps from the Windows Store, as you can see from the tablet here. See, you can see what has changed. You have like your start screen and your mouse keyboard. This operating system is targeted mainly towards tablets, as you can see. It has like a tablet look to it. And let's see, let's click on this video to just see what they have to say. There we go. Sorry for that. Didn't have my sound on. There we go.
I'm Ron. Today I'm telling you my favorite things about Windows 8. What's going on? What's your name?
Miss Michelle.
Jerry. Jerry, nice to meet you. What do you know about Windows 8?
Not too much.
I work with Windows 8. Meet Windows 8. Our new start screen basically puts all the stuff that you do most and all that you do and apps you care about in one place. So you can actually pinch it and then zoom out. Whoa, nice. These are called live tiles. I don't have to actually open them to see all the information that's important to me. They update on the fly, every minute, all the time. Windows 8, you can actually hold it on each side. You can be really comfortable with your thumbs. It's super easy. It's very easy. Our Windows 8 devices actually have incredibly long battery life, and it comes loaded with Windows 8. Work or play, Windows 8 lets you do it all. You said you do it on social media, right?
Yes.
So we have this people app here. Whether they're on Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn, you can see all your people in one feed. The Windows Store has a ton of great apps. FreshPaint's awesome. All the fun of real paint, but you don't have any mess. This is awesome. Do you like playing games? That is pretty much all I do. All those games that you love, like Fruit Ninja, are right here in games.
It's really important for me to get my music and my device.
Xbox Music basically brings millions of songs to one simple app.
That's my song.
So you like getting work done. Yeah. Here's the desktop that you know and love. You still use Word, Excel, PowerPoint. What I can actually do is snap two apps side by side. Ready for me to blow your mind? Wow. Wow. See this tab that we've been using?
Mm-hmm.
Boom. There's your keyboard. Right on. That's the cool thing. Windows 8 works great with touch or with a keyboard and mouse. Those are the best of both worlds.
Oh, that is awesome. Oh, my God.
A lot better than my system.
Makes it a lot easier. Everything's right there for you.
I'm actually very impressed and I like it.
I could definitely say that's on easy list.
If you could use one word to describe Windows 8.
Is buy it one word? I like how clean it looks, and I like how user-friendly it is.
Can we take this with you?
I need it. That's not a word, but fantastic. Yeah. Amazing.
So there you have it. You have the testimony from Microsoft on Windows 8. So let's see. I'm just going to show you guys a couple bits more features. Okay, let's see see here, we can exit this app. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, let's exit off the Google app. And let's go back to our desktop. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly show you some of the great features that Windows 8 has expanded on. I'm just going to go over here to my control panel. And here we're just going to change the categories to view as a list. So, watch icons. Here you have your different options to choose from. Your BitLocker drive encryption, so you can have the option to encrypt your files. Also available on Windows 7. You also have Windows Defender. From my experience, I know that Windows Defender was introduced in Windows Vista, but I'm not quite sure if it's on Windows 7. That's something that I'll have to look on a little later. Here you have your power options for performance. And I haven't really rated mine yet. And here it's my personalization, where I'm able to personalize my desktop. As you can see, I have a live desktop wallpaper. So you have like this little images stacked, and they changed every so often. I can modify that just to see how long the background will change at the intervals. So see, as you can see here, change every 5 minutes. I'm going to choose every 3 minutes and shuffle and save. So yeah, and then you can change your icons just like Windows 7. So as you can see, my wallpaper just changed to a different one. And you see all the same applications as Windows 7. So just in closing, just like to say that while some people like Windows 8, some do not, to the fact that it's more tablet oriented. And I'm also disappointed with Microsoft that the start button's gone. That's it's been a long symbol of Microsoft Windows for just about 18 years, I think, with Windows 95. And just now they decided, like, get rid of it, but you know, I'm sure with upcoming updates, Windows 8 will continue to improve and will become more flexible. So, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to ask. Does this computer play it? Thank you for